We all know that the smallest bird in the world is the hummingbird. But you didn't know that such a small bird. Nesting techniques are also the most sophisticated. Today, the editor will explain to you the masters of the nesting world. Hummingbird. First of all, they choose the location of their nests very carefully. Lighting must be good. You have to have a nice view. Secondly, the materials for nesting should also be quite advanced. It has to be the fluffy fiber of the plant. The material is tiny and soft. It has a good thermal insulation effect on fishing cubs. And the styling of this trend is also very chic. See if it looks like an exquisite white jade bowl. To make this nest, the hole is firmly fixed to the branch. And they also build a support material. That's spider silk. It's also quite dangerous when stepping on spider silk. One can accidentally hang itself on it. As the nest gets bigger, he would kick hard with his feet in the bowl. The excess elastic fibers are compressed into the hind arms. That's a little clever. When his needlework and pedaling were almost done, I started pasting the first one on the outer wall. Find some seeds and moss for exterior decoration. As for what effect it has, I don't know. Just like humans build houses, sticking tiles is similar. Pay attention. Pretty perfect. A small finished house. And the coming little hummingbird. Thanks for watching video at Color Life channel.